So when it comes to any piece of gear, I try to focus on something that is going to be a workhorse that I'm going to be able to use in multiple areas. Welcome to Cavaline Productions Plus. I'm Matthew. Today we'll be unboxing and briefly discussing the Mini K67x, a large diaphragm condenser microphone from Roswell Pro Audio. Let's get into it. All right, so here's the thing. This is my first video here, and I wanted to do a true unboxing. And so I've ordered this this microphone, and it's been in my house for like over a week as I waited to shoot this video and get the equipment for this this video. And if you're a gearhead like me, when you order gear, you want to test it out, you want to play with it, you want to enjoy it, and I couldn't because I wanted to do a true unboxing. Obviously, I took the top off a little bit here, and let's do this. I ordered it from Front End Audio. Nice. Ah, dude, look at this. Thanks, Matthew. I love it when, you know, companies take the time to do a little extra. Obviously, they want to shoot this gear and tag them on Instagram at Front End Audio. Free sticker. Gotta love the swag. All right, bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. Get this out of the way. A lot of bubble wrap. Oh, my son loves bubble wrap. He likes putting little booby traps around the house, so he's gonna be really excited. And let's get this open. I got number 409 and 412. Structure manual, specifications. One thing about Roswell's microphones is they do a 24-hour burn-in. They test for frequency response, sensitivity, noise and hum. They handle the finish. If you wanted to get it in a special color, you could. And then the mount. I believe all of their mics also come in their own road case. More bubble wrap. More swag. Free stuff, it says. Microphone catalog. Nice sturdy case. Love it. All right. Let's take a look. It's going to come with both microphones. I ordered actually a stereo matched pair, and I'll explain why in a little bit. As you can see, this mic is small. You know, it literally fits in my hand. I cannot wait to test them out. Another one, beautiful. Shock mounts, and then they have their own little baggies per microphone. What's unique about their shock mounts? It's a flat front, right? So if you want to put this right up against the guitar cabinet, right up against the bass cabinet, you don't have that, you know, about an inch or so away from the cabinet that a normal, your standard shock mount would have. This thing is beefy, sturdy, strong. You get extra rubber bands. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that's it. You know, that's the K67 unboxing. Pretty easy. Now let's talk about the microphone. So why? Why did I decide to go with the Mini K67? Well, it all comes down to budget. I work for a church. I'm a production director for a church in the area here. I am a basement musician, producer, recording individual. I don't make a ton of money. You know, I have a son who's running camera right now for me, as we said. So when it comes to any piece of gear, I try to focus on something that is going to be a workhorse that I'm going to be able to use in multiple areas. And the 67 or any of the Roswell microphones are going to be excellent on vocals, acoustic guitar, guitar cabinet, bass guitar cabinet, drums, stringed instruments, violin, cello, etc. They're really going to give me a bang for my buck, especially vocals, voiceover work, singing, etc. I need a microphone that if I'm going to spend over or close to $1,000, I need it to do more than just one thing. Yes, everyone wants the Neumann U87. I don't have $3,000. That's practically a trip to Disneyland, and my son is definitely going to prefer a trip to Disney over me buying a $3,000 mic, especially if I wanted a pair of them. And I did. I wanted a pair so I could use for overheads on drums, for miking piano. My wife's a pianist. I just wanted something in a set that I was going to use in all different capacities. And that's the thing. I actually sold, I think, 4 microphones just to buy this pair. So, moving forward, though, when I'm talking about gear or doing a review or buying gear, I'm going to be staying within or under, at my best, $1,000. I feel if you're working for a church or you're a worship director or a worship artist, $1,000 is going to be really up there for you. That's just an expensive piece of equipment that you're going to be spending. If you're an at-home artist, $1,000 is a ton of money. So I think this microphone is under $500. It was $10.99 for a set. So I found this website called Front End Audio. Now, they didn't sponsor the video, they didn't send me the mics for free, I haven't talked to a salesperson, but I found the website and it was really great for me. And this is why. 1, they didn't charge for shipping past the $100. That saves me money. They also don't charge for tax. That saves me even more money. And at the time, I think it was Easter, and they had like a 10% off coupon. So I saved 10%, got free shipping, didn't pay tax. I walked away with 2 awesome microphones for under $1,000. And I cannot wait to try them out on a whole bunch of different things. In fact, hey, in the comments below, why don't you tell me what you would mic with this large diaphragm microphone? If you have the K67 already, or one of their other microphones, the 47 or the 87, tell me what you're using those mics on. Or maybe there's a setting or a gain setting you like to use, or how you get them into your system. I want to know. Also, if you haven't realized, this is my first video. First time here on the YouTubes. So I would really appreciate it, my family would appreciate it, if you hit that like button and you hit subscribe, because I'm going to be coming at you a bunch with new tips, new tricks, be it leadership, how to handle a team of volunteers, how I do stuff in church production, how I do stuff here at home in my studio, how I handle live sound. I work with QLab and ProPresenter, all these different things, because I'm a jack of all trades, just like a lot of you production people out there are. I'm a jack of all trades, and I want to help you. All right, so please hit subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.